Are autoplay videos previews not working on the Reddit app? If video previews don't play automatically, autoplay is disabled, or videos stop loading while scrolling. In this video, I will show you how to fix autoplay video previews on Reddit app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Reddit. Then you will click on profile. You will click on here, not here, above. Then you will click on settings. You will tap on settings. Here you will find settings, and then in this page what you will find is this window of media and animations. Then you will find autoplay videos previews, so please don't forget to